So in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the JavaScript generator function. What is generator function? A generator function is a function that can stop midway and start over again from where it paused. So to declare a generator function, we're going to pass the star keyword after the function or before the name of the function. So I'm going to call this function as generator. Now here simply I came and say console.log and say I am a generator. Now if I save it, if I came here and call this generator function generator and save it in a console, you see nothing. But in a regular function you expect to see I am a generator, but this is a generator function. So but if I came here and console.log this function console.log and passes between the parameter of the log. Now if I save it in a console, you see that we have a generator object. So this generator object has a method called next. If I pass the next here, save it in the console, you see that we have the value the console from this generator. That means that a start and that this next method start the generator, and here it return as another object which has two property of value and done. And as you see here is the value undefined and done is true. We will talk about the undefined later, but done, that means that the generator function is completely executed. So I told you at first that a generator function can stop or pause midway and start over again from where it's paused, but where we didn't see it. So if I came here and passed the yield keyword here, yield keyword, you can translate your yield keyword as a stop or pause. Now here I can declare another console. For example, here I say console.log and I'm gonna say see I can pause. Now if I save it in the console, we get I'm a generator and it paused and it's return the value which is undefined and a done false. Before you see that the done was true because the generator function perfectly executed, but in this case it's not. We have to call the next method over and over again till it get done. Now for this case, I'm gonna declare a variable called Jane and assign it to the generator function. Now here I came and say console.log log and call the Jane and call the next method on it. Now if I save it in the console, we get I'm a generator, but it's still the value is undefined. Where the value came in the value property. The value came from this yield. For example, if I came here and passed the 1, this value is going to be passed to the yield. As you see here, it's changed to the 1. Even I can pass the text. For example, here I say text, and in the console you see the value, you see here we have the text, but the 1 was good. So here I came and passed the 1. Now here it's generate this function till this yield and I stop here, and it's waiting to recall the next method after this to it's run again. Now if I came here and just copy and paste it down here, save it in a console, see that here we get I'm a generator, and this return that object with a value of 1 and done false. But here it executes this statement, and now when it's execute this statement, return that object because we didn't declare any yield here. It's return as undefined, and because the generator is stopped or the generator perfectly executed, here we have the done with a value of true. So and now here we can pass a multiple yield, for example like this, and I'm gonna pass 2 here. Now if I save it, this one you see this false, you see that it turned to the false. It didn't stop the execution yet. Now if I came and declare one more or copy paste one more, you see that it's return has changed to true and return undefined. So we can loop through over a generator if you wanted to. So here I declare a for loop and declare a variable called g and wanted to loop through over the g. And if you didn't know about the for of method, I have a tutorial in the series of the ES6 tutorial. You can go ahead and watch it. So in this case here, I just came and say console.log and pass the g here. Now if I save it in a console, you see I'm a generator. We get the value of the yield, which just came from here, and after that here we have, see, I can pause, which is this statement from here, and after that it is stop on the yield too, and in fact it return an object with a value of undefined and done of true. So but things get more interesting when you can call a generator function from another generator function. Here I declare another function, and actually we're going to pass this asterisk before before the name of the function. For example, here I say an other gen, which is stand for another generator. Now here inside this, we just simply say console.log and say I am another generator. Now here we simply, as you see here, we call the generator function like normal function. So here, for example, we want to call this a generator function to be called before all these statements in the main generator. So for example, here I say another gen in past parentheses, but you see that it didn't execute because we didn't call the next method on it. If I came here and called the next method here, save it in a console, we get I'm another generator, which is here is the first statement that is ran, and the second one, which is this one, and when it's reached to the yield, it didn't stop because we looped through over this generator using the for of. So this was from the generator function. And I hope you understand something and learn from me. And I see you in the next tutorial. But if you like, you can like my channel, and also if you like it, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Say take care. Bye.